Dear class 10 students, welcome back to chapter 3, pair of linear equations, two variables. In this video, we'll be discussing question number 5 of exercise 3.2. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. So in this question, you can see that there are two unknowns, the length and width of the rectangular garden. So we need to define the variables, assign and define the variables. Let x be the width and y be the length. So what is given in the question? The length is 4 meter more than its width. That means the difference between the length and width is 4 meter. So you can make a equation according to question y minus x, right? Y is the length. Length minus width will be 4 because length is 4 meter more than the width. This is the equation number 1. Now, half the perimeter of the rectangular garden. We know what is a perimeter. The width is x and the length is y. So this is y, this is x. So perimeter P is equal to 2 times x plus y. Now what is half the perimeter? Half perimeter is equal to x plus y. So half the perimeter, that means x plus y equals, that is 36, equals 36. This is equation number 2. So we got two equations. Now since this exercise comes under the graphical method, we need to solve this using graphical method. During examination, if the method is not mentioned in the question, you can use any method. There are algebraic method, easier method than the graphical method in algebraic method. So you can use that one if it is not mentioned in the question. Now here we are solving this using graphical method. So these equations are y minus x equals 4 is the first equation. Now when x value is 0, y value will be 4. When x value is 8, y value will be 12. When x value is 12, y value will be 16. Now we can mark these points on the graph sheet. X is 0, y 4, the point is here. X8, y 12, the point is here. And x12, y 16, the point is here. The line passing through these 3 points is given by like this. Okay. Now the second equation. The second equation is y plus x equals 36. Now when x equals 0, you can see y equals 36. When y equals 0, you can see x equals 36. When x equals 16, y equals 20. Now we can mark these points on the graph sheet. X is 0, y 36, the point is here. X 36, y 0, the point is here. And x 16, y 20, the point is here. So you can see the 3 points. Now the line passing through this 3 point is given by this one. We studied that in a graphical method, the point of intersection is the solution. So we need to find out the coordinates of the point of intersection. Here the x coordinate is 16. So this is 16 and y coordinate is 20. So 16 comma 20 is the x coordinate and y coordinate. So we know we already defined x is the width and y is the length. So width, that is x, equals 16 meter and length, that is y, equals 20 meter. So this is the solution. The sixth question is, given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pairs of formed is, first sub-question is intersecting lines. So we know the condition for intersecting lines. For intersecting lines, we need a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So here the question is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals 0, where a1 equals 2, b1 equals 3. So we need a2 and b2 so that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So you can make any equation so that they are not equal. So I'm writing an equation 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals 0. So here a2 equals 5 and b2 equals -4, and we can see that a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 5, where b1 by b2 is equal to 3 divided by -4. So that is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Means this pair of linear equations have intersecting lines. The second sub question is we need parallel lines. So the condition for parallel lines is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. The given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals 0. So here a1 is equal to 2 and b1 is equal to 3 and c1 equals -8. So we need a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. There must be proportional. So either you can write the same or you can write, so the easiest way is you can write a2 is equal to 2 and b2 is equal to 3 and c2 you make some difference. So I'm making it 8, positive 8. Now you can see a1 by a2 is equal to 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. b1 by b2 is equal to 3 divided by 3, that is equal to 1. But c1 by c2 is equal to minus 8 divided by 8, which is -1. That is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So the equation 2x plus 3y plus 8 equal to 0. Now this pair of equations, linear equation two variable, have parallel lines because a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Now the third sub question is coincident lines. So the condition for coincident line is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So this one is very easy. Write the first equation, that is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Multiply the equation with any number, any integer. So I'm multiplying the whole equation with a number 2. Okay, so you'll get 4x plus 6y minus 16 equal to 0 is the second equation. Now you can see what is a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4 equals 1 by 2, and b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is also -8 by -16, that is also 1 by 2. That is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Therefore the given pair of linear equations are coincident lines. That's all for this video. Thank you. Keep watching. Bye.